Every morning Peter's father goes to the beach with enthusiasm, carrying the fishing net on his arm. Under a clear blue sky and with a gentle sea breeze, he throws his net into the water and catches a lot of fish. He takes it to the market to sell it, and returns home, thanking God for his blessings. Peter loved music and used to sit with his friends near the market, listening to his tunes. They would applaud him happily, cheering and admiring his skill in playing the flute. Peter's father asked Peter to help him fish, and took him with him to the beach to teach him how to throw the net into the water, and how to pull it back to collect the fish that fall into it. Peter noticed that when his father pulled the net to the beach, the fish jumped out of it and fell to the ground, and his father collected them in the big basket. Peter said to himself, "Why does my father exert all this hard effort, while he can catch the fish without difficulty? The fish jump and dance without music, so what if he hears the beautiful playing of the flute?" Peter woke up early before his father and hurried to the beach and put his net on the ground near the water. Peter sat next to the net on the beach and took out his flute and played it for a long time, thinking that the fish would be attracted by its tunes and would dance and jump on their own to the net. Peter waited a long time, and got tired from playing a lot of flutes and did not catch anything. Until his father arrived at the beach and saw him blowing on the flute and the net lying on the ground, so he asked him about that. Peter asked his father to wait next to him on the beach, so that he would not get tired and get his clothes wet, because the fish would be delighted by the sound of the flute, so they would dance and jump on their own to the net without any effort. His father laughed at his naivety, and asked him to take the net and throw it into the water as he had taught him, and when he did that, the net caught a lot of fish. Peter pulled the net to the shore, and when he saw the fish jumping out of the net onto the ground, he said to his father, "I didn't know that fish were that stubborn. When I honked at them, they didn't want to dance, and now that I've stopped honking, they're dancing happily." Seen on the beach. Peter's father laughed and explained to him that it's not enough for a person to wish for something in order to get what he wants, but he has to learn the craft from someone who is good at it, and work hard to reap the fruits of his labor.